A very good day to all of you. Today in chapter 2 Computer System Organization, today we discuss the topic main components of CPU. Student, in previous video we have discussed about the block diagram of computer system, and according to this block diagram we conclude that main component of computer system, that is, there were three main component of computer system, that is, first ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, second CU, that is control unit, and third one is MU, that is memory unit. So let's discuss about first the ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. As name suggests, that arithmetic and logic unit, that means this unit perform all the operation related to arithmetic and logical operation. That means arithmetical operation related to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are called mathematical operation or arithmetical operation. And logical, that means logical operation, that means the operation related to logical value, that comparison of two numbers or greater than, less than, that means greater than, less than, equal to, or we say that any logical type operation just like this perform in ALU. So ALU perform all the operations related to arithmetical and logical in our computer system. Second, that is CU, control unit. And according to name, you know that this unit perform all the control operation in our computer system. Control unit control every operation that are done from input device to output device, and it control all the flow of data, how it have been processed in CPU, and then user get information. That means हम ये कह सकते हैं कि control unit is just like a supervisor of any company or any firm that take care or control or evaluate the every operation performed in that company. So just like this, if user input any of the data from input device, then control unit see that according to user instruction, it perform all operation where the data has been go for processing, and then after through output device user get result. After this, MU, that is called memory unit, and this is the storage part of our CPU, that is central processing unit. When we have to enter any of the data through input device, that is temporarily storage by CPU. So there is a RAM for temporary storage that data, and after storage the control unit regulate all the works through ALU or controlling other part and gives result according to user instruction. So we say that CPU as a brain of computer system because it contains main parts of the computer system, that is ALU, CU and MU, and all operation goes through this CPU. So we say that brain of computer system.